Don't worry about it. Is that green one in the middle? Because I love chicken spice. And I don't know the charge for the bar. Okay, you did 1613, all right.
This year we were. Yes.
Yes, if you want to give it to me now,
Yes,
I take it.
you.
I take it. I'm going to forget. Don't worry about it. I'm here in the hotel in San Juan, and I want to show you guys a quick room tour. This is my third room right now because I had some problems with earlier rooms. I know it's dark on this side, but when I switched over, you'll be able to see. So we're going to start off with the entryway, the living room, and then the bathroom, and then I'll show you guys the balcony and the bedroom. So I was originally standing in that corner by the door. This is the entryway and I guess the little kitchenette area. You have some nice storage spaces as you can see, and then to the right of this room will be the bathroom. Now this is the bathroom. It's very big, very spacious. His and her sink and a walk-in shower. The lighting is very mood lighting in here because if I do turn on the extra light, it will turn the fan on, so I don't want it to be all muffled. But other than that, it's a really cute bathroom. Very spacious, very nice, very demure. Let's head on over to the living room and then make our way into the bedroom. So this is the living space. There is a balcony immediately to the left behind the sheer curtains. And then what you'll see soon is how it transitions into the bedroom area. So as I'm standing right in front of the couches, this is the bedroom. The TV is placed in a really awkward position. Like who is watching that? So I don't know, that's very interesting. But I guess if you really do want to watch the TV, especially from the living room, you can just twist it to face the living room or twist it to face the bedroom area. And I think that's probably what they were going for. But immediately in front of the bedroom area is a balcony. So there's two balconies in this room. And yeah, that's what it's looking like. I love the lighting as always. And that's a beautiful picture. So let me show you guys just a quick view of what I'm seeing. It's not really the beach is on the opposite side. I'm seeing the rest of the hotels, some of the plazas, shopping centers, parking lots, and there's like a lagoon, I believe, right across from here. So it's an okay view. It's a high view. I don't mind that. And that's really it. Final walkthrough. Let's try to go exactly where we started earlier. And yeah, spend the day with me in San Juan. You just saw the room. And now I am going to hit the gym, then go down to the beach and the pool and get Thanksgiving dinner with my crew member. Bye. I always travel with a little hand fan, especially from the last time that I went to Best Weekend Ever. It's amazing. Get you one of these. It's so worth it. All of my passengers, whenever they take note of it, they love it. So I'm gonna also take out, oh my god, something was leaking in my bag. My laptop. I will be using this later tonight. I'm going to charge my work phone. Some ASMR for you. And I also want to charge my watch really quickly, because like I said, I will be heading over to the gym. So let's get all of these things set up. It's pretty overcast, but I'm gonna pack my bag. I just want to show you now that I will be bringing my shades. But you know what? I'm gonna save the tote bag, what's in my tote bag section of this video for you in a second. So let me get undressed, change into my workout clothes, and I'll be right back.
Nancy, Nancy, Nancy. Nancy, Nancy, Nancy.
So I always keep my makeup bag in the bathroom, and I have my toiletry bag as well. I always just hook that because it has a little hook. Let me make sure you can see on anything that it's closest to. And I'm gonna just put on my workout shoes and let's head over to the gym, because for the most part I'm pretty ready. Everything is laid out how I normally like for it to be laid out. So I will see you guys.
So everything that we do, as many turns as you guys can, so we can get revenue. But you know that you can make it.
That was really nice. Good night. Happy holidays. Thank you.
Contingency plans, so that she would be 50 okay.
I am back in the hotel room. I'm actually gonna shower off and change for dinner. We're gonna meet up at 6:57. I need to wash my face, hang up my clothes to dry, because I only wore it as a cover up. But we're going to meet downstairs to go for dinner. I really like the swimsuit, and if you want to know where it is from Michael. No, I lied. Where is this from? Where is this from? Where did I get this? It is. It's from Michael Kors. It's a one piece. It's really, really cute. I love the top. Sometimes when I'm running out of tops and I want to look cute on a layover. I wear it with like a high-waisted jeans, and I think it just looks really good. But we're gonna have to figure out what we're gonna wear tonight. My hair looks crazy, which when I get back to New York, I need to do a deep treatment on my hair. But right now, the humidity is killing me. Look at that. You can barely see, but I'm gonna have to figure out what to do with this madness. Isn't that crazy? I'm gonna have to finesse it, and we got a little competition going on where we're trying to see who's gonna actually get downstairs on time. So you know what that means. I gotta be early. And I love to compete, so that's the best way to get somebody downstairs. If you know if they like to compete, if they're competitive, tell them it's a competition, because I'm gonna win. I hope. So I need to get off this camera. I'm gonna get ready and bring you along with me. So let's go get ready together. I'm gonna get ready from this angle. Should I turn? Alright, I'm gonna get ready from this angle. I just need to wash this old makeup off my face. I'm using this cleanser by the Inky List, and it's the Folic Acid Brightening Cleanser. Love this. This is like one. It's gonna dry off my hairline. That's what we're looking like. Tired. Overworked. Yeah, that's really it. Where's the garbage? Why do they put the garbage in the most crazy spots? This moisturizer is from Supergoop. It's the Play SPF 50 Everyday Lotion. I'm only putting a little bit on because I'm literally about to come back in probably 2 or 3 hours and wash it right off. So, and it's nighttime anyway, so. But a little bit goes a long way. Oh my God, why do I look like I'm at death's door? Look at my, I'm so excited for Reserve because I'm tired. And by the way, that's my bikini. I need my one piece. I need my one piece to dry because I'm traveling tomorrow, so I need it to dry, so I'm gonna hang it up. What I'm gonna put on now, I have 15 minutes to get downstairs. I'm gonna put on this Fenty Beauty Soft Lit Foundation in 385. What's going on? And I need to, good, separate. I'm talking to myself. I'm just looking for something nice to put on, nothing super heavy. I just want to be cute. Oh my God, not me talking about not super heavy and then like the whole thing pumps out, the whole thing. Anyways, we're just gonna use it and make it work. I'm gonna come back and wash my face same way, so I'm gonna show you how quick this makeup is about to get done, because I don't really put a lot of makeup on, and I feel like every time I do a makeup video I talk about the fact that I don't put a lot on because I'm not skilled like that. I'm not skilled like that, and I don't like the way how everything fits me, and I feel like a little bit for me goes a long way. Now if I have like a wedding or something like my wedding or another event that I have to go to, I think that I would put effort or hire a makeup artist. I'm just gonna set all of this now with the Easy Bake and Snatch by Huda and a sponge that I have from Sephora. It's the powder puff. Actually, it's not a sponge. I'm just pressing all of that into my face. I can't wait to come back to the room because then I'm going to sleep. How long has this been going on? 4 minutes. All right. I talk too much. 42. Why is this wet? I wipe this down. This whole side bit is wet. Okay, that's that. I'm just gonna go back over it with this bronzer. I feel like this is a skin tone shade for me because it never looks, I don't know, it looks perfect when I put it over my setting powder. It just makes everything look really good. So I don't think that's the right bronzing shade for me, but yeah, I'm gonna shut up now because I really got to go. And then I'm just gonna go back over my cheek with the blush, and that's it. Let me put on a very light layer of mascara just to say that I tried. Just to say that I tried. Well, how about that? And then we're gonna put lip gloss on. So let me moisturize, pack everything that I gotta pack, and when I'm coming out or heading out the door, I'll show you guys exactly the look. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I hope you're enjoying 24 hours with me in San Juan, Puerto Rico. It's officially time for me to head on out. I just have this dress on from Shein. I'm actually bloated, but I'm gonna eat anyways. I don't care. I'm gonna eat. It has a slit on both sides. I'm wearing the Guess slippers that I always wear these days. I need to chill if I want it to last me a while. I'm gonna bring this little pouch with my card, lip gloss, fan, room key. Oh my god, I was gonna leave my room key again. Like, what type of crazy girl is she? I'm having my fan stick out like this. I don't care. That's gonna sit just like that, or to cover the pouch like Rihanna be doing. And I've got my phone. Oh, my crew member, she's asking me if we can meet later. Yeah, that's really it. I sprayed on a perfume from Zara. Sorry, it's from Zara. It's called Apple Juice, and it smells so heavenly. I don't know if you can see the writing, but it's called Apple Juice. And that's it. That's really it. My hair is pinned up. That's what it looks like. And makeup by B. And that's it. So when I get on the road, I will show you guys what's going on in San Juan. So bing, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm waiting for you. I'm gonna give you 2 seconds. I'm gonna give you 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you do it yet? 4.5. Did you do it yet? 4.56. Did you? No, I'm kidding. Let me shut up. Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the town. This is the full look from head to toe, and yeah, body tea. Ah! Fancy car, or is that their Uber?
I'm stuck in California, but days are getting longer.
Wow.
No,
As we stumbled upon some type of like a Christmas market. Welcome to Puerto Rico. The lights are beautiful. We got vendors out. Different types of vendors. Food. Accessories. Home decor. All types of stuff. But the crowd is giving crowd. But look at that line.
We're definitely getting that for dessert.
Some churros with chocolate would be so nice.
Churros.
Get out! Is it that good? I thought the line was right there.
I know. No, I think it's
Damn. Okay.
Por ahí, mira, tengo una de tenaja por ahí que vamos acá.
Imagínate cuando tenga 10.
¡Ay, novio! El año pasado. Déjate. Oh, okay. Seeing the flags forming the.
We just ran from that little light area that I was at to get back. We got back 3 minutes. Yeah, in 3 minutes, but it actually took us 8. But it took us 7 minutes because it's 2 minutes timer. Yeah. All right, let's see what the menu looks like because we're super duper hungry. By the way, if you want to check out this place, it will be linked in the Google Maps in the description box.
I have my seafood paella, and I have my seafood mixed soup and my lobster soup too, and my shrimp soup.
But the paella, where on the menu is the paella? Is it on the menu?
Or a batter, we batter and we do the seasoning in cod, and when we fry it, we cod. And when it comes out of the fryer, it's gonna come out like a thin pancake, really crunchy with cod in it.
But I like the one with the meat.
Yeah,
The meat. Yeah. Yes. Thank you, sister. Handsome with the little accent. Okay, sister. Colada is here. I want the paella to come right now.
Bigger than you thought?
Okay, update. We just finished eating. I do have some food to go. We also got our second pina coladas to go. And the bill came up to $49.19 each when we split the paella. It's a paella for 2, and we each got 2 pina coladas. So I think that was fine. That's fine. It was good. And we are ready to go. I'm so tired. It's 9:34 p.m. and remind you, we had to get up at like 3:30, 2:30 to get ready for work. Thank you. So make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. We're gonna walk around a little bit though, work off some of these drinks and some of the food, and then we're gonna take an Uber back to the hotel. I do want to get up early in the morning and go to the gym and go to the beach. So thank you for watching. Good Good night, B Squad. So I will be picking up the rest of this 24 hours with me in San Juan, Puerto Rico vlog tomorrow. So I'm gonna go to bed. We're gonna wake up. I'm going to try and wake up and catch the sunrise on the beach, and we're also gonna head to the supermarket just to see what we can find. We both find it like really fun to go to supermarkets in different countries, me and my crew member. So we're gonna see what that's like, and then we're gonna come back for the beach. I do want to go to the gym since I'm getting back into New York so late tomorrow, and yeah, that's really gonna be the rest of tomorrow, but I will of course bring you guys along with me. I hope you're enjoying it so far, and if you are, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. It means a lot to me and it goes a long way. I really appreciate you. Bye. See you in the morning. Good morning. Good morning. I definitely slept through. Well, actually, I woke up for the sunrise and I was looking at my phone and I'm like, it's 5 something a.m. in the morning. I can't remember exactly if it was 5:40 something or 5:20 something, but it was 5 something in the morning. I'm like, okay, it's still dark, the sun hasn't risen yet, it's not giving me the faintest sign that the sun is about to rise. And then I woke up back hours later. So I don't remember anything. But I never went to go see the sunrise on the beach, as you can see. Actually, we're gonna head to the supermarket now. So I'm gonna get ready. I want to go to the gym and I want to go down to the beach or maybe even the pool just to lay out for a little bit. And yeah, that's about it. So let's get ready and go to the supermarket. I'm literally just going out like this. Nothing to me here. Nothing. Oh Lord. My face looks a little lifeless, so I'm gonna just put some color, just the slightest bit, because I already moisturized back into my face. But I'm gonna keep my glasses on because I'm not ready to put my contacts on. Is there something in my eyes? I'm out. Oh my god. Oh, I felt something. Oh, it's making me tear up. I know I felt something. I'm like, what is going on? Literally, this is all I want on my face right now. Nothing else. Just a little color. Look at color. If it just shows say I'm awake up. I'm awake. Update. I ended up throwing this black shirt over my top. I just as a girl. And then I made this cream cheese bagel because I need to eat. But I have on shorts that are more like capri shorts. And the same slippers from yesterday. I'm only bringing my camera, my wallet, and my phone. So let's head downstairs. Minus the airplane, it's so peaceful and quiet and pretty, especially in the early morning and late nights. Tiff went to go save us a spot by the beach, and I saved us a spot by the pool. So we're actually gonna head to the supermarket now. So what we've come to the conclusion is that the supermarket here, at least this supermarket, is cheaper than the ones that we have in New York. My crew member was saying that she bought Fruity Pebbles for like $7 and it's 3 something. So yeah, I'm gonna get some deodorant, some toothpaste, some essentials. If I had space, I would have even gotten laundry detergent, some eggs, some milk, because it's pricey. It's pricey. But I'm gonna walk around, fill up my cart, and then come back. I'm getting a lot of essentials, lotion, deodorant. I got some cute snacks, I'm not gonna lie, but the pads are cheaper. So I'm gonna pick up the pads. I'm gonna buy the lotion, I'm gonna buy the deodorant. And I don't think there's anything else. I don't really want that much snacks, but I got different treats so my mommy can try it. And yeah, that's really it. I got some little small things for the car as well, but for the most part it is a little bit more affordable. There are some things that I see that are the same price, and there's some things that I see that are a little bit more expensive, but overall it's not bad. It's not bad. I want to get some Castile soap, but if I go to Marshall's, I think I can find it for cheaper. So yeah, let's go, guys. Like the grapes, I could have found the grapes cheaper in the States. Well, in mainland, I guess. That's, I don't know what they call it as a grape. But yeah, I want to get some fruits to eat. They have a slot machine section. I'm not going to record them, obviously, but that's cool. I've never seen that in a supermarket. Anyways, let me see if I can find a nice little fruit cup and get some fresh fruits. I found a slice of Jamaica here. I was trying to see if I could find some Grace, but this brand is Pica Pepper. Yeah, it's a Jamaican flag that really catch me, you know. But I have to walk around. I'm like, let me see if there's anything Jamaican in this supermarket. And we found it. I mean, them have them jerk sauce though. Them jerk marinade. Margaritaville, but yeah. They also have the Chick-fil-A sauces here. I'm tempted to buy the sweet and spicy sriracha. It's that green one in the middle because I love sweet and spicy. And they also have Mayaracha, which I'm also tempted to buy, but I'm leaving it alone because I don't need all that extra calories. I'm already trying to get like abs by next year, so that's gonna be, you know, something. I'm getting this for the plane and for my shoes, and I need some new toothpaste. And then these are the coconut snacks. And then this little deodorant for the car. For all of that came up to $51.71. These little prices add up. It's so crazy, but yeah, after taxes, it was $51. And I think I paid for a bag. I don't know if they charge for the bag, but I'm thinking they do because everybody charges for a bag now. But yeah, we're at Puerto. I don't know if this is one of the more expensive supermarkets, so if you're from Puerto Rico or you just been here long enough to know, let me know. Let me know. Like a comment, share and subscribe.
Even if you didn't respond to that, say, oh, bro, what like they did, I'm posting you, or so you can talk.
Wait to taste your skin.